Okay, that's CB going up there. Hope you can see it. There's a lot of light in my eyes. This is the main drag lift. I'm going to go down the piste on the left. Watch CB do some of his turns. Nice exit, Sam. Lovely exit. Okay, Steve, let's go. Don't go too fast now because I'm trying to take some movie of you, okay? There you go. Can you just wait for me, son? Wait. That's lovely. Big turn. Lovely. Really good. Oh, that's nice. Now it just goes fast at the bottom. Too fast for me. And control into the gate. Good. All right, so you're going to have a rest.